Instagram, and simply post and view stories anonymously for Instagram. So you have all these features right here. So some screenshots and these features. Alright, this is the actual version of Rocket for Instagram. It does require the Instagram app from the App Store. This feature's called Video Swipes. So I get a little tired. Swipe gestures for video players. So the features right here, or the gestures or actions right here. Plus for Instagram, must have tweet for Instagram users. So you have all these features for the Instagram app. Screenshots. Called Pass By. Open source tweet gives you many passcode customization options. Supports iOS 9 and 14. Lock and new clean look for your passcode lock screen. Your passcode screen. These features right here. Pretty much a tweet that allows you to translate easily. Supports iOS 11 and 14.8.1, so you quickly translate any text. And it supports over 100 different languages. There's PP, we have this one, and we also have the dev latest one. It's a PSP emulator for iOS. We have BH Twitter, it's also a tweak for Twitter. Supports iOS 13 and 14.8.1, and these features right here for Twitter. Was updated, guys, at version 1.1.36/3. So if you don't see the update, you might not have the right repo, or just it might not be available for 1.3 adds support for iOS 14 beta. You might not need that version. Hooker slash shim for those who can't use the real lib hooker. 2 supports iOS 13 to 14.6. Style test any app quickly and easily with this tweak. Test out 2. Tweak allows you to style test their different fonts that are visible to other device or platform thanks to Unicode. Status bar change everything written on the status bar. It's compatible with iOS 14. Tosaka supports at least iOS 13.0 and up. Displays weather and local information on the status bar every 10 seconds. So yeah, pretty cool. It might drain a little battery just because it's still constantly updating and displaying there, but shouldn't be too much of a difference. This is called lib2gashan, library where you can get information about the weather. It launched 1440p and 2160p resolutions in the iOS YouTube app. Goodies enforce useful YouTube features that otherwise experimental features you can get others don't, and vice versa. All using this week. And iSponsor blog port for iOS automatically skip annoying sponsorships and YouTube videos. Supports iOS 7 to 9 as you unlock a device by holding onto a passcode keypad button. Widget called Pressure, time, music, weather, battery, depends on ETN HTML version 2. Supports iOS 11 to 14.